masarap yung bitchokoy nila. 1920s na sinihan.
Isa sa pinakamaliit na plaza.
Pansit, walang lasa.
Guys, sa Munyang po, lumanap na lang. Sa Manch Cafe, kami din sa buong.
What's up mga kachinoys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today, it's already Tuesday, February 10. Ngayon ay mabuti naman tumila ang ulan kasi it's been raining, no? Every day. Yun, pupunta kami sa downtown para makapag-vlog tayo. Ako rin, I'm always excited whenever pupunta ng downtown. Let's go to downtown Iloilo! Wow! Downtown Iloilo, centered around Calle Real, or J.M. Basa Street nowadays, was historically known as the Queen City of the South, serving as a premier commercial hub during the Spanish and American colonial periods. Renowned for its well-preserved heritage buildings, it was a once major sugar trade port, featuring iconic structures like the Cacho Building and Plazoleta Guy. Colonial hub known as Irong-Irong, later Iloilo. The area was a vital trading post. Architectural heritage. Calle Real is lined with elegant 19th and early 20th century architecture that reflects the city's economic boom during the peak of the sugar industry. The key landmarks. Historic spots include the Molo Church, Haro Cathedral, and the Iloilo River Esplanade. Cultural significance. Today, downtown Iloilo is a blend of old world charm and modern city life, known as the City of Love for its gentle culture. Here in downtown Iloilo, expectedly, they never run out of things to offer and things to buy. Name it, they have it, sabi nga. Kagaya na lang ng mga lumang tindahan ng mga tela, tailoring shops, restaurants, automotive shops, hardware, hospitals, schools, at marami pang iba. And syempre, meron din silang Robinson's Mall dito at dalawang SM department stores. At ang isa rito guys ay ang pinakalumang SM sa Pilipinas mula pa noong 1970s. Pero sa ngayon ay fully renovated na. Kung kaya't buhay na buhay pa rin ang kalakalan ng mga business establishments here at downtown Iloilo. And for today ay ang Museum of the Philippine Economic History ang ating first stop before exploring downtown na walking distance lang naman here in Calle Real. And free of entrance yan mga kachinoys. Yun nga lang, only pictures ang pwede sa loob and no videos allowed. Pero sa ganda ng museum ay kinunan ko na rin ng quick video clip souvenir para makita nyo kung gaano siya kalawak at kaganda sa loob. Building was constructed in 1905. The building that now houses the museum was originally known as the Edificio de Inchausti Sia. The company was involved in various industries including abaca, tobacco, sugar, shipping, banking, and hemp. In 1934, the building was used as the family residence, with the ground floor hosting a city's first comprehensive grocery store. The Commission on Audit, or COA, later purchased the building and used it as its original office until the agency relocated to Pavia, Iloilo. In 2016, the COA donated the building to the National Historical Commission of the Philippines and underwent restoration in 2018 and was subsequently opened to the public as a museum on February 11, 2019. Naku guys, sumaambon na. Papunta kami ng downtown and it's almost 4 o'clock p.m. Hanggang alas 5 lang kasi dito yung mga establishments sa palengke. So, let's go. Balete 3, oh grabe, dyan sa likod ko. Who was a witness sa mga nagdaang panahon. Again, ito guys yung 1920s na sinihan, Regent. Guys, sa likod ko daw yung Hoskins, established 1877, dating department store nung araw.
Welcome to Plaza Tagay. Isa sa pinakamaliit na plaza. It's sa Iloilo. Ito guys, sa likod yung lumang sinihan.
Guys, sobrang lumakas na yung ulan. Pero patuloy ang buhay sa ating tour. Hello mga ka-Chinoys! Nako, ito yung Cinematheque Film Development Council of the Philippines. Ito yon. So, 2 years ago, nakatingin kami rito. Kaya lang, unfortunately, yung mga gusto naming palabas, hindi natatimingan na free kami dahil maraming ginagawa or may ibang pinapasyalan. So ngayon, pumunta kami dito and unfortunately, ay close siya at saka walang naka-line up na mga film showing yan. So yung mga lumang pelikula, Tagalog movie enthusiast ay talaga mag-i-enjoy dito. Very limited lang yung seating capacity niya. I think if I'm not mistaken, mga 65 lang. So yan, ang Cinematheque here in Iloilo. This is Master Chua Restaurant, one of the oldest Chinese restaurant here in downtown. Good food, generous portion, and fair priced. In fact, highly suggested ito ni Chewy, na popular Pinoy food vlogger, and we regret that we didn't try it today, but next time for sure. Guys, so nandito kami sa downtown Iloilo and then tinry namin 5 years pa lang daw itong store na to. Sabi nga nino hindi niya nakita dati itong restaurant na to. So ang pangalan niya ay Kamsuki. Ayan. So parang halika, Kamsuki. Halika kayo. So okay naman siya yung may-ari. May mga restaurants din sila sa US. Sa try namin, meron siya yung mga sinasuggest na bestseller nila. Ako, I'll just try pancit and siopaw. And then sino yung combo meal nila. tikman natin. And then, umorder ako ng pork siopaw for 60 pesos.
Fairness, masarap. Fairness, masarap.
Maliit lang yung portion nila, hindi siya generous portion. Classic type.
Bagong luto, bagong.
Yung siopaw, masarap naman siya. Sorry, pansin ko.
Walang lasa. Walang lasa.
Pansit, walang lasa. Tsaka hindi siya bagong luto. So after guys noong Chinese restaurant na kinainan namin na I swear to God wala siyang kakwenta-kwenta para mawala yung dismaya namin. Pumunta na lang kami rito sa Cafe Libertad. So magko-coffee lang si Noy. We ordered cheese bread and ensaymada. So yan ang kape ni Noy. Sana hindi kami madismaya. Kapeng barako daw from Batangas na. Sige, tikman mo. Barako.
Barako.
Few moments later.
And ngayon guys ay nandito naman tayo sa La Paz, Iloilo. Newly renovated, modernized La Paz Market. And so dito guys nagmula ang La Paz Batchoy originally. And then yung Maj Cafe na very iconic din and very popular from back then. So puntahan natin siya. So andito guys lahat yung mga sikat na batchoyan dito or batchoyan. Yung Decos since 1938. And then andito rin yung Netongs, ang Ted's Old-Timer La Paz Batchoy. And andito rin ang Nate's Chicken Inasal Kaway.
Guys, amo niyang puto manaplad. Sa Maj Cafe, kami diri sa Bong. Namit ya. Tinabi pala. Guys, amo niyang Betchokoy. Ang do sa Ilonggo donut siya, pero daw malaba lang siya na may mga kalamay man sa babaw eh. Kaya namit ko ng tilawanta. Silang kape nga, regular coffee lang with milk. Ang wipe sila sugar, so ikaw lang magtimpla kung ganong sugar mo kadamo. Tapos guys, kung mag-order ka makakape dire sa Maj, may strong, tapos mayroong mild, at saka may regular lang ang coffee. So pili ka lang kung ano panlasa ang mga kape.
So yan guys, lalagyan nyo lang siya ng muscovado sugar, which is healthier, no? Regular lang to, hindi to yung matapang na kape. So let's taste it. Honestly, regular coffee pero ang tapang ng kape. Tignan natin yung Betchokoy dito sa Iloilo. Local donut nila. Sarap. Malambot na. So masarap yung Betchokoy nila. Tikman naman natin tong puto manapla ng Iloilo. Sarap naman. Hindi masyado matamis. Again, perfect with coffee. Yan guys, mamimiss namin yung saging, kaya bibili ulit kami. Anong saging?
Lakatan.
Lakatan, okay. Sa Iloilo rin yan galing. Iloilo.
Meron lang Davao, sir.
Davao.
Davao.
Ayan mga mangga. Grabe, Hindi lang ako fan ng ng hilaw na mangga. Tapos may alamang din sila. Ayan.
90 per kilo daw, so more than 1.53 kilos. Ay, hindi. 153 pala yung words. So guys, after namin magmerienda sa baba, magkape ito sa may Maj Cafe. Bali, food trip kita makaon naman na sa Joy. Kaya sa Decos, original, gindi ko no. Sa tilawat ang batchoy nila, puto man ang vlog.
Puto na naman.
Puto naman siya. Guys, actually ang Decos ang pinakamaluma, pinakadugay na batchoyan rin sa labas. since 1938 siya. Amo ni ang sa Lapas Public Market. Tiyan mo na niya yung Lapas Public Market. Nag-modern na siya sa buong. Guys, so diri na ang ato nga batchoy nga gin-order. Tapos ang ini ang special batchoy nila nga Mickey. Tanaw bla damo. So sa Hugo. So guys, ang batchoy ng dapili ka. May sa tahon, may miswa, may Mickey. So ang gin-order na mo Mickey. Kaya mo ganyan original na batchoy Mickey.
Hindi na ako kumakain talaga nung ano kasi ito parang fully loaded siya. Meron siyang may chicharon, may pork, atay. Hindi ako kumakain ng atay talaga. So, at saka yung batchoy dapat kainin habang mainit pa siya kasi lalo kung Mickey, kasi yung Mickey medyo pumapait siya. So, let's eat. The last time pala we were here was in 2013. Tagal na no, nung luma pa yung palengke. And there you have it mga ka-Chinoys, until my next week's vlog. And kung kayo ay napadaan lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe, paki-like, and hit the notification bell for my latest videos. This is the Red Chinoy saying thank you and God bless everyone. Paalam!